In this video, I'm going to show you how to pasteurize eggs and make mayonnaise. Start by placing the eggs in a small pot, then cover them with an inch of water. Place the pot on the stove. Slowly bring up the temperature to 140 degrees, holding it there for approximately 5 minutes. If the temperature gets too hot, you can add cold water a little at a time. Prepare an ice water bath. Then gently place the eggs into it. This prevents overcooking. Now your eggs are pasteurized. Now they are safe to consume. Let me start by saying you can use any oil that you prefer. Crack the eggs in a bowl. Next, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Add half a teaspoon of fine sea salt. Next, measure out 2 cups of your preferred oil. Slowly add the first cup of oil while running the blender. Make sure it is emulsified before adding the second cup. And that's it. It's a healthier alternative than store-bought. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.